Hi, I'm Shiven. I'm from India and I'm studying Bachelor's of Business Administration in HIM. My internship is based in Geneva, in Cornova. It's near the train station in the center of Geneva. I opted for front office because I wanted to interact with as many people as I could so that it becomes a second nature of mine to be around people, because I'm not really a people's person or an extroverted person, I would say. So a particular memory of me working at night was when I had to check in 50 people all at once. I had to tell them that please be patient, everyone, I'll check you in one by one, because I was the only one working at that time. So yeah. So as for my career goals, I would like to open a business and have a profession at the same time. So I have to juggle a lot. So it's basically teaching me how to manage my time and how to manage people and how to respect them in a professional environment. I would tell them to ask as many questions as they can, because sometimes there is not enough time, as the internship is only for 6 months. And I know it's hard to actually do it, and it's easy to say, but you still have to do it anyways. So why not go all out?